How to verify your phone number on Signal. Open the Signal private messenger app on your phone. Let's get that number verified. When prompted, type in your number, double check it. One wrong digit and your verification SMS might go on vacation. Tap next when done. Signal will send you a 6-digit verification code through SMS. Check your message. It could arrive in a few seconds. Don't see it? Tap resend code and Signal will try again. Type the code you received into Signal. Make sure each digit matches exactly. That's how Signal knows it's really you. Once entered, Signal will confirm your number in verified. Congratulations! Your account is now linked to your phone number and ready to secure messaging. If the code does not arrive, make sure your phone has network coverage and the number is correct. And that's it. Your number is verified on Signal. If this tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it so your friend can get started too. Enjoy secure messaging. Thank you for watching.